This is fit for a 2015 through 2018 and likely beyond Chevrolet Tahoe with factory installed flush side rails which have fixed point connections on the inner edges. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack Vortex RCH base roof rack system. The system is using the Vortex load bars in black, 59 inches in length, the RCH legs, which include locks, and the vehicle specific fitting kit, which is part number RCP43-BK. Here we have the crossbars positioned at 27.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. There is an additional fixed point connections further back on the side rail, which provides a 45.5 inch crossbar spacing. This 2-bar roof rack system supports up to 220 pounds evenly distributed. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our website for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.